Hello everybody, I have two the value boxes of 2012 Topps and Topps Heritage. So there's 5 retail packs of Topps per box and 2 hobby packs. So I got them for $9.98. So I'm going to crack them all open, fast forward, and then we'll go through the cards. Alright, so let's go through them. You get 2 bonus refractor cards. I got the Ken Griffey Jr. and the Willie Mays. Sharp looking cards, but I'm sure they're not worth anything. We'll go through the retail Topps first. Golden Moments McCutchen. A little insert of Dolan Ryan, Jared Weaver. Pujols. A walk-off classic Adonez. Dennis Eckersley insert. Let's just go through these pretty quick. Cabrera base. I don't know if these are gold cards. Johnny J. Loney. Litos. Mini of Chase Utley. I got a bonus hit here. Brett Anderson jersey. Yeah, better than nothing. Walker, Ty Cobb, golden insert. Dustin Ackley insert. Chris Davis, that's pretty hot. Another gold of Chris Ionetti. And these are not numbered. Mark Reynolds. Mini of Troy Tulowitzki, insert of D. Gordon. Got insert of Clemente, gold standard Willie Mays, and Jared Weaver insert, Scott Baker, and walk-off classic Carlton Fisk, Edward Martinez, golden moments. Okay, not bad from that. Got a jersey. Now finally the Heritage, Top Heritage. I do not know the short prints, so. But here's a Rivera, Parker, Abreu, White Sox, Tulowitzki. King, a little Killebrew, Bautista. Alright, Matt Moore rookie. Now I don't know if I got any inserts in there, but other than that, really not too much. So didn't do too well in this one, but I did get a jersey card. That's it. Thanks for watching.